everybody, it's Lorinda with ToolBelts and Lace. Guess what? It's spring in Idaho. It's probably spring where you're at too, so that's cool. Hey, so guess what? I went to turn my sprinklers on this year and my front yard sprayers didn't seem to be getting enough pressure to pop the heads up and water the grass. So I had a sprinkler guy, actually I had a neighbor come over first and he helped me troubleshoot a little bit, and he's so amazing. He's like, you know what, I think you got a leak. So I called in a professional and he came over and took a look and he's like, oh, you might have, tree root intrusion on one of your lines. And I'll kind of show you what he was thinking. So I have this beautiful aspen tree here, and what he was trying to say is that he thought that the roots might be intruding on the line. So I came out today and I started next to this sprinkler head because it's the closest one, and I figured out that the line goes this way away from the tree. There's nothing even going up towards the tree at all. Didn't seem to see any intrusion at all. So, because I had dug over here and I couldn't find, no matter how deep I dug, I could not find the line. So I'm not sure exactly how this thing goes, but it looks like that one goes into the grass this direction. So I'm like, okay, I don't think it's tree roots because the tree is over this direction. So that didn't seem to make sense. So then I thought, okay, maybe I just needed to lube up the pop-ups to see if they would come up a little easier, thinking that they were getting stuck. Sorry for the noise. And that didn't do much. But what it did show me, I was trying to track like in what order the heads would come on, but I couldn't really tell. So I was about to give up and I stepped on the grass and like sunk. And I did notice that when we had the sprinklers on, that there was quite a bit of water coming off right here next to the grass. So I stepped right here where the hole is now, and it was really, really squishy. So took a shovel, dug out the grass, and sure enough, there's a connection right there, which I'll show you. There's a connection right there that was leaking very obviously from this connection. So all I did was dug it out a little further, and it continued to ooze and drizzle, and I had to bail the water out of the hole a couple of times. But now I got a new clamp to put on there and reconnected them, and it doesn't seem to be oozing at all anymore. So I'm gonna try the sprinklers real quick to see if that's the problem, and see if we fixed it. So stand by. Alrighty, so I got my handy dandy walkie-talkie.
Are you there?
Roger that, I'm here. And so I'm gonna instruct him on how to turn the sprinkler head. Yeah, so go back to where it says manual and then put a couple of minutes on there, and go and then turn it to run. Okay, moment of
Okay,
truth.
going to run.
Okay. Oh, I'm trying to see. Oh, they came up! They came up! They came up! Oh, I fixed it! It's just so beautiful to see the water flowing. I don't even want you to turn them off yet. Hold on, stand by, because I need to just redirect the heads real quick before we turn them off. All right, I did it. I'm gonna put the phone down. So, haha, you can do it.